Ellie has twice as many counters as Ashley. They have 96 counters in total. How many does Ellie have? So we've got Ellie and we've got Ashley. And it says that Ellie has twice as many counters as Ashley. So if Ashley has this many counters, so in a bar, I'm not sure how many that is, then Ellie has twice as many. So I need to copy that box twice. And I know that they have 96 counters in total. So let's just put all the boxes side by side. And we know that there's 96 in total. So that means I can very easily, I know that each of these boxes are going to be exactly the same. So 96 divided by 3. If you need to, you can use a little bit of bus stop here. How many 3s go into 96? 3s into 9, 3. 3s into 6, 2. So there's 32 in each. So in each red box there's 32. So let's go back to our original diagram. So we've got 32 here. 32, 32. So the question is, how many does Ellie have? So Ellie has 32, add 32, which is 64.